How to enable Aura in Blox Fruits PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in order to use Aura, which is also known as Busoshoku Haki in Blox Fruits on a computer, you go ahead and press the Z key on your keyboard. This turns the Aura on or off. When Aura is on, your arms and later your whole body becomes black and glow, and you can hit players who use elemental powers. You do more damage and take less damage. So for this, you must unlock the aura, which is Busoshoku Haki first. And in order to unlock the aura in the first sea, go to the cave on the Snow Mountains Island, then talk to the ability teacher inside the cave, and buy aura for 500,000 belly. So how to level up the aura? Use aura while fighting enemies. The more you use it, the more of your body it covers. And on stage 0, no change is visible, and in stage 5, which is maximum, your entire body turns black. So on mobile, you can tap the Aura or the Haki button on your screen. And if you haven't unlocked Aura or need help finding the ability teacher, tell me which sea you're in, first, second, or third, and I'll help you find them. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.